All right, coming to you live from Seattle in DockerCon. I'm here with Taylor Brown. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. So what is it you do at Microsoft?
So I'm part of the Windows container team, and I lead all of our server container technologies that are coming out of Windows. So lately that's been Windows Server containers and Hyper-V containers. That's all part of my team.
And so we were talking before, and you work not just with Azure, but with other folks as well. Can you talk about that?
Yeah, I mean, it's part of the Windows team, Windows Server team. We're really agnostic of where people run things. Certainly we love when people run things in Azure, but Amazon's a great customer. We have a lot of customers who run things in Google, other clouds. So we're really agnostic of where people want to run Windows. It's my job to make Windows a great operating system that people want to build apps for.
Cool. And so what types of the overall container ecosystem are you working with?
Yeah, so we've worked really closely with the Docker and Docker community, starting even about 2 years ago. We approached Docker about, hey, we're building this container technology. We'd really love to have Docker be part of that. And it was kind of an interesting conversation. It got turned right around on us, and we're part of an open source project. Why don't you guys contribute? And so we have been. So for the last 2 years now, we've been contributing a lot of code to the Docker engine and trying to make that work with Windows. And at this point, we have a couple successful previews out already. We're charging hard towards GA Server 2016, which has full container support, as well as the Docker engine being available for it.
So is it technical preview 4 at this point?
5.
5. Oh, okay. You guys have gotten since I last looked.
Yeah, technical preview 5 right now. So that's been available for a couple months now. We've got customers who are actually deploying that and running production workloads even on it now, using Docker as the container management tool set. And then just today we announced the first preview of the Azure Container Service, which will run, it already has GA for Linux support. Now we have preview for Windows support.
And so do you think it will be done by the end of the year?
Yep, absolutely. Okay. So yeah, our commitment is that server will GA by the end of this year.
Great. So what are some of the features you're looking to put in next?
So we've got a lot of things that we'd like to do. I've got a laundry list a mile long of things that we think we want to do. Certainly performance and scale is going to continue to be an area we're going to focus on a lot. We're hearing a lot of people here asking for Linux container support. They actually want to run their Linux containers on Windows. That's certainly an interesting area for us. So those are a couple areas that we're thinking about. We've got a lot of work we want to do with storage plugins, volume plugins, continue to work on security, specifically around authentication, authorization. We just put in a pretty neat feature where we can actually run a container as a Windows Active Directory account, and we're finding people are very excited about that. So now we're looking at what other kinds of cool things can we do around that.
Awesome. Taylor Brown, thank you so much.
Thank you.